Good morning and welcome to our magical garden. So for us, May is easily the busiest time of the gardening month. Just consider the lists of tasks that I'm trying to get achieved today. I have to clean the pond filters to keep these guys happy. And we're getting ready for the Garden Club plant sale, which is this Saturday. We do this every year. So at the moment we're nursing these plants that were dug up from members' gardens, and we'll sell them at the plant sale, which is on Saturday. So our job is to nurse these guys and keep them alive. And I need to get the garden railroad up and running. At the moment all the buildings are still sitting here in the garage waiting to go out. All of these pots need to be potted up with annuals. And this is where we'll pot up all of our herbs. So you can see we're ready to start potting. We have plenty of potting mix. We have yet to buy more annuals. We have some perennials that we'll use in the pots. And we'll be buying the annuals in the next couple of days and be potting up all our pots around about Mother's Day. And then we're also nursing these Japanese maples. They're going to go into this area here after we've removed these boxwood and these hydrangeas, which we're going to dig up and pot up and give to the plant sale on Saturday. And of course, there's always weeding to be done. I already weeded this area of Creeping Charlie, but it's crept its way back. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you would have been following my continuing battle with Creeping Bellflower. When I weed this today, that will be the 4th time so far this spring. But before I start any of those tasks, I just want to pause to admire this absolutely magnificent tree peony. Ruffled Pink Petticoats. Tree peonies truly are amazing. Look at that. And our other tree peonies are blooming. This is tree peony Leda. And then we have tree peony Momoyama, just about to bloom. Look at that. So tree peonies bloom first, then Ito peonies. Here's an Ito peony just about to bloom. And then herbaceous peonies. So you can watch the video linked above for a full guide on all things tree peonies. Also, we have on our website a free downloadable guide to tree peonies. So thank you for joining me in the garden today. I will see you in the next video.